Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay safe, stay home, play well, do the homeworks well, and write in a good handwriting and post to your concerned class teacher. Okay? Those who are writing, those who are not writing, they also have to write. Otherwise, you won't get the studies properly. We have started the syllabus now. That's why. Okay, if we know that we have started the syllabus, you must have to tell to your means colleagues, means your friends, and tell them to see that video and practice that. Okay, practice and write that the homework. Okay, children. Now in today's class, remaining next page, I explained in that one which letters are, which words are given in that one. I already written on the board. See. Another one also, do akshar wale shabd. Now new words are there. Now new words. Which two letters and hidden in that one? What is the sound of that? What is the meaning of that? I already explained in before class. Now here also I am explaining them. Before class also I explained in English and in Hindi. Which two letters are added in that one? I gave. No. Now see here. Gaj. What is that? Gaj. New letters are there. New word is there. Gaj. Gaj means what is that? Gaj means elephant. Which two letters are hidden in this one? See, ga plus ja. Ga, ja, gaj. Which two letters are hidden in this one? Ga plus ja. Means ga, ja, gaj. Why I am saying particularly? See this one in English also. If I give the work, you must have to identify what is in Hindi, what is the meaning of that particular word. You must have to know. That's why I am giving that in English also. I am explaining in English also. Okay, children. What is the first word? Gaj. Gaj means elephant. It is a wild animal. I told you, no, it is a wild animal. Now here it lives in a forest. Now see here, buck. What is that? Buck. How I am saying the word? How I am saying? By identifying. No, I am identifying the word. You also have to identify the word properly. And how you have to identify and practice that, how you must have to identify and pronounce that word. How? Then you must have to know compulsory the Varnamala full. That full format, how to remember that. Understand? If it is not coming, you must have to revise yourself and write that and practice that. Then only if you write, when you are writing that time, if you read and write, then only you will get the correct pronunciation of the word and letter. Okay, children. Now see here how we are going to identify the word. This is what ba. How I am saying? I know all the letters. That's why I am identifying. Now you have to identify, means what you have to do. Which letter it is? These are the swar letters. Why I gave so many times? I told you in class I am explaining so many times swarakshar, vyanjanakshar. Why I am explaining that? See, it is helping us to know the word also. See here, what is that? Is it a swar or vyanjan? This is what? Is it a swar or vyanjan? These two letters. First one, what is that? Vyanjan only. What is that? Ba. Vyanjan. Then next, what is that? Ka. How I identify? Swar. Swar are not there. No swarakshar letters. Only Vyanjan letters are there. How we are going to revise this? Remember this. See? Ka varg. If we take that Vyanjan letters, Alpupran letters, by identifying Alpupran letters also, you can identify a word also. See here. This is a ba. Alpupranakshar, what are they? Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa, and ga, ja, da, da, ba. In that one, ba is coming now. Then ba and ka. Ba and ka together are buck. No, I taken the sound no. Now another method is there to identify the word. What is that? By knowing ka varg, cha varg, ta varg, da varg, ta varg, pa varg. Understand? This letter in which varg it is coming, we have to identify. Ka, kha, ga, gha. In ka varg, which letters are there? Ka, kha, ga, gha. Cha varg, cha, cha, ja, jha. Ta varg, ta, tha, da, dha. Ta varg, ta, tha, da, dha. Pa varg, pa, pha, ba, bha. Ba. Which letter it is? Ba. And ka varg ka. Ba and ka, buck. No, ba or ka, buck. Together we are saying buck. Buck means crane. It is a bird. Okay. Next word. If it comes to next word, see here. Which letters are hidden in this one? Which letters are hidden in this one? You must have to see here. What is that? Swarakshara or Vyanjanakshara? It is a swar letter. A, I, U. Now for 4 seconds you have to pronounce that. U. Then what is that? It is a Anunasik Vyanjan. No? Then na. Together if you take the sound oon, no, it will come as a oon. Oon means wool, woolen clothes we are making with the sheep hair, no, that one. Then next one, what is that? Ghat. What is that? Ghat. Gha plus ta. Which two letters are hidden in this one? Gha, ta. I told you, no, you have to identify Alpapran or otherwise ka varg, cha varg, that one, or otherwise Alpapran, Mahapran, this one, or otherwise Swarakshar or Vyanjanakshar. These all the methods are there to identify the letter. Ghat means what is that? Pot. Ghat means what? Pot. Then next jhash. What is that? Jhash. How I am saying? By identifying the letter. By identifying the letter. You also have to identify the letter whether it is Alp or Mahapran. Okay. Jha or Sha. Means which two letters are hidden in this one? Jha, Sha, Jhash. Jhash means fish. The next what is that? One. Va plus na. One. One means what is that? Forest. Okay children? Now I will give the homework from this one. Okay. You must have to do this matching. Okay. Matching I'm very easy now. First one, buck. Second one, jhash. Third one. Fourth one, ghat. Fifth one, gaj. Okay. Elephant. The next, forest. The next, yes. No? Are you seeing this clearly? Now see here. First I am going to explain first one. Then remaining all you must have to do it. Okay children? Now see. First what I told you. How to do the matching. How to do. Then see here. How we are going to do the matching? First you must have to take the first word. First word. Concentrate here only. First line, first word. Then go to next line. Means next side. Right side of that. Okay. In this right side, what are the meanings given in English? Okay. What are the meanings given in English? You must have to see here. What is there? Buck. First what is the word? Ba, ka, buck. Buck, no? Buck means what is that in English? Buck means pot, elephant, fish, forest or crane. It is a bird. I told you, no, in this one any bird name it is there. Pot means we know that made with clay thing, that one. Elephant means wild animal. Fish means water animal. Forest means wild animals are living in that one. Crane means a bird. Now which one we have to match with this word? That is buck means crane. Understand children? Same like that. How the jhash means what is that? One means what is that? Ghat means what? Gaj means what is that? You must have to know that. Understand? And what are the meanings related to this one? You must have to match the letter and identify the word properly and match the word to correct English word. Okay children, then post to your class teacher. Do the homework well and stay home. Thank you.